Everything okay?
Huh?
Everything okay?
Yeah, it will be. As soon as I fucking get home. You guys live right there. But fuck, I don't know how to push it. Fucking clutch hub fucking broke.
How the heck did that happen?
Well, the fucking inner bolt fucking come loose, so the fucking clutch hub worked away and quit working, and then I went to I thought it was these outer ones. Went to tighten them and snapped them off. And now, motherfucker, that aluminum's fucking warped. Don't wanna.
Shit, you need a hand to help pushing it back then?
Get it in the driveway right there at that corner. Or wait, no, it's the next corner, ain't it? Fuck. Oh. I fucking, it did it in the thing, and I made it this far, but that fucking aluminum plate just fucking bowed and fucking.
Yeah, aluminum can only go so far, man.
Yeah. I'm probably just gonna have to push it.
Yeah, I'll give you a hand.
Oh, I hate that shit. Sucks to know that. Fucking thing. I never bought this old piece of shit.
I know what you mean.
All I do is work on this thing.
Well, by the time you do get everything done, it'll be fixed eventually.
Fuck, all this was new, and then fuck, all that's new. I must not have got that fucking center bolt tied enough and fucking worked loose, and then I just broke 2 bolts off in the fucking clutch hub. Fucking all the charging system's new, the whole clutch is new, starter's new, solenoid's new.
God damn, you must have replaced almost everything.
Fucking battery's new. I got a big old fucking tractor battery in the saddlebag. Yeah, I've put lots of money into it. Wish I wouldn't have.
What happened? It sit a long time?
Just whoever had it before I did fucking just didn't take good care of it. They fucking let it go to shit. And I went by how it ran and everything, and when I bought it, and I took it for a test drive, it fucking ran awesome. I'm like, fucking hey, you know, and that's a pretty good deal. And then I drove it for 3 hours and fucking broke down, and fucking I've had nothing but trouble since.
Yeah, did he even keep up with the coolant? Did he even keep up with the coolant and the oil?
Do what?
Did he even keep up with the
this
coolant
one
and
has
the oil?
coolant.
Oh, it does?
This is air cooled.
Oh, I'm all new on these. I'm more of a crotch rod.
Yeah, these are air cooled.
Triumphs, I think, are liquid cooled.
Most are, except for you.
Every bike I've had's been liquid cool.
Yeah.
Triumphs are too, but oh, you got her? Or you think?
No, I'm gonna have to push it.
One.
Up and around the hill, or just up to that
Oh,
driveway?
that first driveway in that corner.
I'll run up
It's in that corner. What?
Wait, do we still have that old junk trailer sitting up there?
Bob's truck might be hooked to his trailer. Let me see.
Go get a trailer and then bring it down?
There might be one up there. Hard to say it. Yeah, fuck it.
It's been a while since I've seen a bike break down.
Oh, this one's always broke down. Just the story of my life. Make me want to buy a Kawasaki.
Oh, dude, Kawasaki's have just about as fast problems.
I used to have a Honda.
Hondas run pretty good. I haven't had any problems, except I believe some people had electrical problems on it. Can't be no Honda.
I've got problems with everything on this bitch. I hear it in there turning that shit.
Trying to figure out where to get all this shit. You know how you get too much stuff all the
Oh
time.
God. You know, both saddlebags full of tools, a backpack full, ride the bitch back and forth to work, through thunderstorms, everything.
Man, I'm trying to see if I can figure out how to push it from the back.
Not bad right now, but
Get it worse when we get up that damn hill.
yeah, when we get to this hill, that's when.
That's why when you push, or when I'm pushing it from the back, I hope that's helping. Is it? Is it helping?
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Alright, we'll get her.
You see
Not
the stop
every day.
sign in the corner there?
Well, not every day I help people, but apparently another motorcyclist got to help.
Well, you wouldn't believe all the bicycles went by me. Not here, but while I was in the van.
Yeah, you know anybody that rides a black, I think Gixxer 1000? I tried to race him, but I could never get his attention. Whew. I seen him in Havana a couple times, that was it.
I pretty much ride alone.
That's my second bike. I own 2 Kawasaki's.
I was just in a bad wreck a year ago. Almost killed me.
Well, I was on my motorcycle and a girl ran me over as I was sitting still.
Really, I T-boned a truck that pulled out in front of me at 50 miles an hour.
God damn. She hit me at 55 miles an hour sitting still, broke my arm and my leg.
Yeah, I got a metal rod in my leg.
I got a rod too in my leg and a plate in my arm.
Fucking 3 broken ribs, punctured lung, grade 4 major laceration on my liver.
God damn.
I was in intensive care for 7 days.
Yeah, I was in the hospital for about a week and then I had to go through physical therapy for another 3 weeks. Had to learn how to walk again. That shit
Me
sucks.
too. Bad thing about these big old bitches, they're a heavy motherfucker. Push me right now.
Whoa. I didn't even notice you were turning. A bolt or something came loose?
Yeah,
Did you use that one stuff?
the Loctite.
Yeah. Loctite keep it in there really well, and apparently anytime that you have an engine or combustion or something, you always have to use Loctite. Otherwise it's a nightmare.
Well, I replaced the inner clutch hub and it was cracked, and the guy told me that was from people over tightening it.
Oh.
So when I put it all on, I just got it real snug. I didn't fucking crank down on it. I should have cranked down on it.
Well, you always learn from your mistakes. And
Yep.
I've done that too.
But now I gotta take that inner clutch hub back out and try to get the broken off bolts in there out. I have to take a drill bit and drill through the middle of the bolt and see if I can get a Allen wrench or something in there and start spin it out.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
2 of them bitches